If you're into home cheese making, you are probably swimming in leftover whey. Here's 100 different ways that you can use that liquid gold. Go through the list and see which ones you might like to use and look for one possibility that I may have left out. We'll talk about it at the end at a question and answer session. So come into my kitchen. Let me show you the way to use your leftover whey. meet Steve. He's a viewer, just like you. And a couple of years ago, he contacted me and asked me if I wanted to write a book and if I was interested, that he would be willing to edit it. Many people contributed to the making of this book, and Steve was an integral part. He's going to help me today answer the three most common questions that I get about leftover whey on the channel.
First of all, I just want to say how surreal it is to be in the kitchen. We've seen this on so many videos, and it's a little different than what I thought it was going to be. So
Bigger?
it's bigger. It's yeah. The layout is also different. So Lisa, it's a pleasure to be here with you. And when I got into my cheese making journey, like so many, I found I was swimming in leftover whey. But one of the things that I didn't understand was the difference between sweet whey and acidic whey. And there are some differences, and maybe you could clarify what those are.
Yeah, I'd be happy to do that. It's a common question on the channel. Sweet whey is commonly derived from cheeses that have a draining pH of at least 5.2 or 5.3 or above, and is characterized by a very cloudy look. So you can see that the casein whey, the casein protein is suspended in the liquid. Acid whey is typically made from cheeses or other products that use acid to coagulate. So, for example, citric acid and a lemon or vinegar. And those wheys are often far higher in acid, so the pH is much lower. So it could be as low as 4.9, 4.8, or even 4.6. Even feta, which is a very low acid cheese, will produce acidic whey. And there are different uses. In a nutshell, I would say that sweet whey can be used for all 100 applications. It is important to note that in the first category, other uses and other cheeses, it's important to note that if you're using sweet whey for those purposes, you'll want to use it within 3 hours of making the cheese, because then at that point, what happens is time continues to acidify that product and it's not as effective. So you would get less yield or maybe hardly any yield at all. So use sweet whey for those purposes within 3 hours.
Now, I end up with a lot of leftover whey, and my thought was that maybe I could just use this because I discovered from your channel that I could make other cheese from that whey. So then I started thinking, is it possible that I could use that whey as a replacement for commercial culture instead of having to go out and buy more cultures?
Yeah,
Yeah.
no, I don't recommend using leftover whey as a replacement for cheese culture. And let me tell you why. I get this question a lot. And I think it comes from the desire to be frugal, which I totally understand. I'm frugal myself. And then also, I think it comes from this overall maker mentality that the less that you purchase, the more closer to the food you are. And I get that. But there's a problem with using leftover whey in cheese making, and it is that we don't know how much lactic acid is actually in the whey. So it makes it very difficult to measure, and it produces both unreliable results and potentially unsafe results. There is a thought that leftover whey was used as a cheese culture, especially in the past, but there were some notable differences, that they had advantages that we don't have today. Namely, the lactic bacteria that was so prevalent in the soil way back then is not prevalent today. That used to be the dominant species, and that species has been replaced by something called Pseudomonas species. It's a cold-loving bacteria, which is not good for cheese making, which means that the cheesemakers of old had more lactic bacteria to work with from the soil that translated into the milk that translated into the cheese. That and other um, processes that they were able to hone made them the good cheesemakers that stayed in business. I'm not saying it can't be done. I'm just not recommending it for safety and for quality reasons.
I needed to know this before I wasted 4 gallons of milk. Just saying.
That's a great point.
Yeah. Now you end up with a lot of this whey, and I think one of the big questions is, can it be stored? Like you just mentioned that, okay, this particular one, use it within 3 hours, or this one, use it within a period of time. But how can I store it? Should I be storing it?
Yes, you can store it. You can store it in the refrigerator for 3 days or in the freezer for up to 3 months.
Ah, there we go. Okay. Thank you, Lisa.
Well, thank you, Steve, for helping me answer some questions about leftover whey. Join me in the comments if you have any additional ways that I didn't come up with in this 100 list. Please put them in the comments and we'll chat about it. Thanks for watching. We appreciate your support and we'll see you in the next episode.